Thinking about selling your home in Litchfield County, Connecticut? This step-by-step guide covers everything you need to know from preparing your home for sale to closing your deal. Sell with confidence, maximize your profits. But first, subscribe and hit the bell for expert real estate tips. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is prepare your home for sale. This is going to be before you hire the realtor, before you hire the attorney. We're going to prepare your home. And what do I mean by prepare your home? Biggest thing you have to do in the beginning when you decide you're selling your home is just take a walk around your home and look at the house as a buyer would look at the house. Biggest thing today that we see that turns buyers off is clutter. So you're going to want to declutter your house. Now, I've been decluttering my house for the past 6 months. It's a lot of work, but if you take your time and you get rid of stuff that you've had hanging around for 30 years, the house is going to look a lot better. Minor repairs and enhancements to your home. You're going to want to go around and make sure that all your lighting is working, all your little switch plates, anything that are small that makes the house look clean. We have a video that we're going to link over here that you can watch after this video, and it's going to give you all these steps you can take that cost very little but enhance the value of your home. Consider a pre-sale inspection. Now what happens is you call in a home inspector, and we use a guy that doesn't charge anywhere near the price he charges when people are purchasing a home, but he'll go through the home with you and he'll point out any areas of the home that he feels need attention. And that's going to go a long way in helping you determine whether or not your house is ready for sale. If you know anything about your house, full disclosure is important. If you have an old well, have it checked out. If you're on the septic system, make sure you've had it cleaned well before the time you're going to put the house on the market, so you could determine if there's any surprises, because you don't want to be surprised either. After you feel you've done enough work on the home, hire a good real estate agent that's going to walk you through the entire selling process. Real estate agents here local, they know the market, they know what's moving, they know what people are looking for. So have a chat with a good real estate agent. If you decide to bring them on, then you're going to be in really good shape moving forward. Your realtor is going to help you research the market. They're going to do what's called a CMA, or comparable market analysis. They're going to be able to tell you exactly what they feel your home is going to sell. Now remember, if you have the nicest home in the neighborhood and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch, it's going to sell right around the same price as all the other 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranches. So what your realtor is going to do is show you the different sales, the amenities they had, and what they're going to sell for, or what they did sell for, and what they feel you could sell yours for. They also have online valuation tools that you could look at, and you could see what they determine your house is worth. So now you have more than one option. And the third option is you could bring in, if your house is $600,000, $700,000, $800,000 house, or closer to $1 million, you could spend a few bucks on a licensed appraiser that will come in and give you a certified appraisal on what they feel the value of your home is. So those are 3 options that you can take to get the value of your house. But it all starts with hiring that realtor. You're going to want to hire an attorney just to make sure the attorney's looking at the contracts that come in and looking out for your best interest. Your attorney is the one person that will only look out for your interest when you're selling your home. So make sure you get a real estate attorney. A lot of attorneys do a lot of different things, but make sure you get one that works a lot of real estate. That's an important factor to look at. You're going to have professional photography done. Don't take a realtor that wants to come in and shoot their own pictures. Don't you shoot the pictures and have them put them online. It doesn't work. You want your home to be shown in its best light. So listen to the realtor's ideas. Listen to the idea of getting your home prepared properly, and hire a professional photographer when it comes time. Usually, if you have a good realtor, they're going to include that in their services. We bring in professionals that do a wonderful job getting your house prepared. The listing has to be written properly and has to be placed in all the right places. And an engaging listing that talks about your home, that talks about the area and the benefits of buying your home. This should be almost like a one-on-one. So when somebody reads that listing, they just want to move right into that house. So the listing is very important. And if you get that right, it's going to go a long way. Your home has to be marketed effectively, and a good realtor will do that for you. It'll make sure, again, as I said, the house is on the multiple listing service. It's on Zillow, it's on Realtor.com, and thousands of websites of all independent and commercial real estate people. So they're going to get a lot of people to see your home. You have that one shot when you put it out on the market to get a lot of looks. You have to make sure it's priced properly. Stay inside of a range so that when it gets listed, people in that price point are looking at your home. Once your home goes on the market, if it's been set up right, if it's been offered properly, if in our market here in Connecticut, we are still in a strong seller's market. So if your house is listed properly, priced properly, and prepared properly to sell, you're going to get offers, maybe multiple offers. And when you have those offers, you're going to talk to your real estate attorney, you're going to talk to your realtor, and they can help you work through the offers. The highest offer might not always be the best offer if they have poor financing. So you want to make sure you're picking the best offer. So don't be afraid to ask questions when you have multiple offers. During that contract phase, your attorney will go over all of your duties as the seller. After you've taken care of all the negotiations, any repairs that you agreed to, any concessions, you can give help with closing costs, all those different type of things. And then your attorney's going to walk you through the process of actually closing. The buyer's going to do a title search, and your attorney's going to clear any title issues. If you have a mortgage to pay off, if you have any liens on the house, who knows? The attorney helps you make sure that your house is ready to deliver to the new buyer, clean and clear title. Your attorney's also going to coordinate with the buyer's attorney when the closing day comes, and the closing day is usually determined by the buyer. The buyer has to get approved for a mortgage. They have to get what's called a clear to close. That means that they have jumped through all their hoops and the bank says, okay, you are ready. We're going to give the money over and they're going to pay you for the house. So what will happen is your attorney and your realtor will stay in touch with the other side, and they're going to follow their mortgage process all along. Now, what we do in our office is, as we know they're getting very close to getting their clear to close, we'll have you come in and we'll sign all your paperwork so that you as the seller can sign over the deed and everything, and your attorney will hold that in escrow, will not turn it over to anybody until they send us the money, which is held for you. Look, selling a home doesn't have to be overwhelming. Follow my step-by-step guide. I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can download it. And if you want to know 13 things that you can do that are low cost that will maximize your profit in selling, watch this video right here. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.